This is 0 Point Profit, and in this episode I'm going to show you the inner part of the James Rooney stator that I built. This is it right here, assembled, and it has a 1 inch by 2 inch by ½ inch thick neodymium magnet with the magnetized poles pointed outwards instead of inserted sideways. So yeah, this is how it looks assembled, and now I'm going to show you how it goes all together, how I put it together. So I'm going to pause the camera and unassemble it and show you how to reassemble it. Now we're going to assemble the inner part of the stator. This is the inner box, the battery, the neodymium magnet. It's 1 inch by 2 inches tall by ½ inch thick. You got the spacers, a penny as a shim, because I wanted to make everything tight in there so there's no rattling around. So the penny is going to shim the battery the same height as the magnet. Okay, let's put this magnet aside. Now what we do is we get the box and we'll put the shim inside, the spacer that spaces the inside. So we'll put this is a solid piece of cold rolled steel. It's a little heavy. I'm just trying it for this experiment. If it doesn't work well, I'll just scrap the idea. So this will go to the back of the casing. Sorry. Okay. It's kind of hard to put it in there. Just gotta slide it in. Okay. And then this is a plexiglass spacer. This is the two sidewall spacers, just like that, and then 2 bottom spacers, and then a top spacer. I don't know if you guys can see, and then the battery. Actually, there's one part that we missed. We have to tape this penny on the battery as a shim. With just electrical tape. Okay, now we can slide it in without collapsing the inside. And today I got the shakes. Okay, there we go. The battery in there, and it's tight. Nothing's rattling around. Don't even need tape to hold it down. But I'm just going to put tape on the sides just to keep everything together. Just put a piece of tape here, and put a piece of tape here. Okay. And then the neodymium, let's see, really strong. And then the neodymium just slides in there. Just like that. Perfect. Everything's together, nothing's rattling, and that's it. And then you can put aluminum tape so nothing falls out, or, I mean, it's all in there, but you can put aluminum tape to keep it all together. And that's it. That's the inner part of the stator. Okay? And the next episode will be the outer part, where this slides into. It's a little big, but this is just for an experiment purposes. So yeah. What else do I have to mention? That's pretty much it. Let's actually I'll show you the strength of the it's magnetizing strength. Mind you, this is just the inner part. It's still not completed, but here we go. See, it's weak. See? It's weak. I mean, there's a slight drag, but you know, I mean, like the front is. If you can see what I mean. If I just leave it there, it'll attract by itself. Or if I do it the back way, it doesn't even move. The side doesn't even move. It's just really weak. But the front is really strong. Top, it's weak. Bottom. So now we're just waiting for the outer part of the stator, and stay tuned for that bit. Thanks a lot. Bye.